All right, this one here, just having a look, creating a box and whisker plot. What we've got below is just a list of ages of people when they attended their first footy game. It's already in ascending order for you. The data that you get on your exam or in class might not be in order. In order to do a box and whisker plot, we must have them in ascending order. So that's already done for you. All right. Underneath that, it says then to construct a 5-number summary and then a box and whisker plot. Now the 5-number summary must be done before you can do your box and whisker plot. Okay, so these 5 things down here comprise our 5-number summary, and they relate directly to all this data up top here. X min, that's just the minimum score. So that one there is going to be 12, that's easy. The maximum is equally as easy. Now we've got Q1, which is the lower quartile. We've got the median, which is the one in the middle. And we've got our upper quartile, which is our Q3. Now, we're going to start with this one here, the median, and then we'll take care of the quartiles. For the median, we've been working with n plus 1 over 2. Okay, so n is the number of scores, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them. We add 1 and divide it by 2. This will get us the number 6. Now, that's not what our median is. That tells us that it's the 6th score in line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go and highlight this one here. Okay. Now you can test to see if it's in the middle, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. So that checks out. All right. So for this one here, our median is 21. All right. Now that value has been used. So therefore, when we find the quartile 1 or lower quartile, that's just the quartile of the first half of the data. Now we've used 21, so we now need to find the quartile or the median of that part of the data. And then we need to find the median, which will be our Q3 for that part of the data. This one is quite easy to look at. We can see that 14 is in the middle quite easily and quite quickly. So we'll put that down, and 22 over here as well. Okay. Now, once we've done that, we've got our 5-number summary sorted. We've got a single x-axis down the bottom here. And we are now going to put our box and whisker plot on that. Okay, so I've started at 10, as you can see. All right, and we can see as I go along, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this is 30 here. You don't need to mark everything in between. But I've started my axes just before this value here, and I've finished it just after that one there. There's no point to go too far either side, just wasting space. So what we're going to do, we're going to go a couple of lines above the axes, and we're going to put dots where, or lines rather, where these values occur. So 12 is our first one. So I'm going to go 2 squares wide here. 14 is the next one. There. We've got a 21, which will be up here. We've got a 22, and we've got a 29. All right. Now, the whiskers, you take from the end one to the next one, and then the one on the other end to that next line, okay, which is your Q3. And then in the middle, so there are whiskers, we need now to create our box. And this here is our box, all right? Just so you can see where everything is, this part here is my minimum value. This is my maximum value. And this one here, I'm going to write on the side, is my median. That's my quartile or upper quartile. And this is my Q1, which is my lower quartile. So you can see how those 5 numbers fit on there.